Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can to review filtered comments on TikTok. So TikTok has added a new filter comment feature so that gives users an opportunity to decide which comments will appear and which will not on their videos. So how to see the filtered comments? Just going to open the TikTok apps and tap on three lines in the profile in the top right corner. So just going to select setting and privacy, go to privacy and select comments at the bottom. So scroll down, you can find review filtered comments, just tap on it. So here you will be able to see all filtered comments. Once the comment will appear in this section, you will be able to delete or approve it. So yeah, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.